Sandy Hook, New Jersey. It is a national recreation area and it has a really nice beach. So we're gonna head to the beach and have some fun. You excited about the beach? Is it funny? We actually haven't been here in around 2 years. We never brought Isabella to Sandy Hook. We used to go before Isabella was born, but we actually never brought her here, so it should be fun. It's a little day trip.
A lot of wildlife and a lighthouse.
Yep. Is that funny? The ball's on your head? We are now at North Beach in Sandy Hook. Got our, what is this called?
Beach cart.
Yeah, our beach cart. We haven't used it in a really long time, so we have our chairs.
A little squeaky.
Yeah, it's a little squeaky. And our beach cart. And it should be fun. Sitting at the beach, and you want to say hi? She wants me to say hi. And we have a view of the New York City skyline, which is really nice.
And the horizontal bridge.
Yeah.
You can see Staten Island if you look all the way down. Coney Island, I should say, not Staten Island.
And there is the New York City skyline. Very pretty.
And Isabella. Very pretty.
I think she wants to be seen again. Is that funny? Isabella, you want to play in the sand? You want to play with the sand? Here's a shovel. You want to put the sand in the bucket? You do it. Filled that bucket up, Isabella. You did a good job. She's not fearful at all. in the water for a little bit, and Isabella had a blast. The water is actually really rough here. But Isabella had so much fun. We just finished up at North Beach, and it's around noon to, actually it's 1 o'clock. And Isabella's getting a little tired now. So we're gonna go to the Lighthouse, and we're gonna go see that, and then hopefully, Isabella, you could take a little nap, right? And then you'll feel much better.
You dropped your ammunition. You gonna pick that up?
No.
You gonna leave it there?
Yep.
Isn't that littering?
No. Because it's not mine. We are at the Lighthouse now.
Is that a kind of a big deal? Should we figure out whose that is?
Wasn't Sandy Hook, it used to be like a military base?
Technically still is.
Oh, okay. So that's why there's a lot of different like areas that have things that are military based.
Missiles, leftover missiles.
Yeah.
Randomly in New Jersey.
No. But here is the lighthouse. I think it's a cool lighthouse.
We've been inside, but we've never been up there.
Yeah. We won't be going up it today, though.
I believe you can, though. You want a picture?
Let's get a picture, Isabella. We just checked out the lighthouse, and now we're just walking around Sandy Hook. Isabella's trying to take a nap, and we see these houses, and we think that's where soldiers used to live, in these houses over here. They're kind of run down.
Kind of. Some of them don't have roofs on them.
Yeah. But
I know they were trying to restore them. I think Sandy really Hurricane Sandy really put a
damper on that.
Yeah. But we'll see. Some of them look like they're being fixed up a little bit, like this one. In the back, you see they're doing some work.
Oh yeah. This one looks in pretty good condition, actually, compared to the others. And the reason why this one is in such good shape is because it is actually the post headquarters. You could see, like, there's broken windows, there's no steps. Yeah. Definitely there's been a lot of damage to them. Look at the roofs.
That one, they're fixing up the roof.
Yeah, you could actually see they're actually fixing that roof up. It's interesting. And Isabella fell asleep. She was super tired. She's so cute when she sleeps. So I just read a little side note that they had on the side, and it said that these are called Barracks Row, and each of them held around 80 soldiers in them, and they had different things to do, such as like a barber shop, a tailor, and things such as that. But very interesting. But there are a ton of houses here, and all these houses held soldiers. You could see if those houses over there did not have the wood support, the front part would probably fall apart. So that's why they put the wood up, I guess, to maintain it. Yes, this first one was redone. But not completely. The roof still looks not done. I think Sandy did a lot of damage here. A lot.
You left your cannon here.
Yep, there's a cannon over there. And there's the cannon. Pretty neat. So here you can see how the house is falling apart, but the one next to it was actually restored. Yeah, say so. It's a fixer-upper, David said. What's that?
Notice the top's missing?
Oh, geez, yeah. The whole top is missing on that building.
That's it.
That was a good one. Here you can see this house is restored a little bit. compared to the other ones. And the one next to it is actually even restored even more so. See, it has the little fence around it. And the bottom is done. It has steps. Good morning, princess. Good morning, princess. Did you have a good nappy? Did you have a good nap? Yeah? Here's a better look at the building named 2020. Now we are heading off of the Sandy Hook Island and we're going to go to another lighthouse that is really nearby, and you could actually fly your drone there, which is cool too. And it was fun. It was fun, like, exploring. We went to the beach and then we explored the whole island. Not the whole island, because it's actually a really big island.
We missed a lot of it, actually.
Yeah, we missed a lot of it, but we explored like a bunch of it, like near the lighthouse and then near North Beach. So it was fun. And now let's check out the next lighthouse. We're actually noticing that the other beaches, not North Beach, but the other beaches on the island are much more crowded than North Beach. So we like North Beach because it's less crowded, so it's easy to socially distance, and you don't need to wear a mask or anything because you're not near anybody else. You want to say hi? Say hi. Did you have fun at North Beach? Good. She loved the water. She actually, we got all dressed and changed out of our swimsuit, right? And then you wanted to go back in the water. You got a little upset because you wanted to go back in the water, right? You love the water. You saying hello? We are now at the Twin Lights Lighthouse, and as we're pulling in, it says drones prohibited. So apparently you can't fly your drone here, which is pretty surprising. We really thought you could.
Yeah, I've seen pictures of people doing it, but you should have told them, because all you have to do is look that way. Look, we're flying our drone now.
Yeah, that's true.
We're very high up.
Yes, we were very high up. You can see it's a really pretty sight. Very picturesque. Here is the lens for the lighthouse, the Twin Lights Lighthouse. It's pretty cool looking. Very big. And over on this side is the lighthouse. It actually has two.
1862.
1862. And there's two lights for it, right?
Yes,
I guess that's why
lights.
it's called Twin Lights.
Yes, good guess.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool looking lighthouse. Very different. It almost looks like a castle. So that was our day trip to Sandy Hook and the Twin Lights Lighthouse. It was really fun to get out, go to the beach, and see the different sights. And we hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you real soon, guys. Bye.